So remember when we talked about the CMF Phone 2 last time? Yeah, since then, things have shifted a bit, rumors are changing, and while nothing's officially confirmed yet, there's definitely more to talk about. First, Nothing teased 4 upcoming CMF products using Pokemon-style code names, which definitely caught some attention. Then, just a couple of days ago, they followed that up with what's basically the first official teaser for the CMF Phone 2. It came with the line, "In search of the perfect shot, coming soon." So yeah, it's pretty clear they're shifting focus toward camera performance this time. Looks like we're in for a solid photography upgrade. And just today, they posted another teaser, a new finish, textured, tactile, different, more to come. That's interesting because the first CMF phone had plastic and vegan leather finishes. This time, who knows, maybe they're finally going for glass or metal. Could be a big step up in terms of feel and durability. Flipkart already has a microsite up for the phone, again repeating that same perfect shot tagline. So it's safe to say the camera is going to be the star of the show. The teaser image shows a single camera in the center of the back, which is a bit of a curveball since the original CMF phone had a dual camera layout. But if previous leaks are anything to go by, there could actually be a triple camera setup under the hood. Nothing loves playing mind games with their designs, so what we see might not be what we get. The phone's also expected to keep that swappable back cover and the screw attachment for accessories like lanyards, same as last time. And display-wise, rumors are pointing to a 6.3-inch screen. That's on the smaller side these days, but honestly, we were kind of hoping for something even more compact. Now here's the chipset twist. There were hopes for a Snapdragon chip this time, but rumor has it the CMF Phone 2 might go with MediaTek again, possibly the new Dimensity 7400 that just dropped in the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion in India. It's not a bad chip at all, but yeah, we were kind of rooting for Qualcomm this round, and since we're already getting official teasers, a launch date isn't far off. Most likely we'll see it later this April. Alongside the phone, CMF's also expected to drop 3 more products, probably a new set of TWS earbuds, a smartwatch, and maybe even a new neck band to follow up last year's lineup. So yeah, the CMF Phone 2 is shaping up to be a pretty interesting upgrade. Let's just hope they keep the price as competitive as before. If the teasers are anything to go by, we've got some exciting stuff coming soon. Until then, stay tuned. Peace.